math based question. Here what I did was I got this particular question from Prep Schooler. Basically the title of this blog post was the oddest math questions ever. So I don't know the answer, because they provided the question and also they provided the answers also, so it was easy for me to test it. So I'm going to copy the question 3. The answer should be A. So I'm going to paste that same question into DeepSeek and also into ChatGPT, and I'm going to press enter. Okay, I have started this. Hopefully we can see how well this is done. ChatGPT is already started working with reasoning. It only thought about for 4 seconds, and you can see analyzing the question and shows the steps, conclusion, and the correct answer is D. It automatically mentions that, which is here it's saying that for this question the answer should be A, but for Chat GPT says that value cannot be determined. So let's see how this performs. Okay, we got a server busy message, so I'm going to try it again. This is what happening with DeepSeek. So many people are started using it. We are seeing the server error message. If that happens, just try it out again. Okay, let's see whether DeepSeek comes up with the correct value, because certainly ChatGPT did not come up with the correct value. And you can see that various ways of explaining or the reasoning part. It just thought for 4 seconds with these amount of reasoning, and we are started getting the answer. Yet the DeepSeek is still checking, and you can also see the way it is thinking. If you read through the DeepSeek's thinking part, it is almost like a human being. Okay, let me try to figure out the problems, and it just goes like our person will start thinking, and it's still thinking. It's crazy because ChatGPT only thought for 4 seconds, and this is still going. Let's see how long it's take. It's already over 20 seconds. I'm not going to speed up, cut out, or anything like that. I want to show how much time it took exactly for you to come up with the answer. And you can also just pause through the screen, read through its thinking processes, or just paste the same formula which I just gave it to it. Maybe I will post it in the comments so you can check it out on yourself as well. You can see it's still thinking on all the different stuff. It's crazy because I want to stop the video and I wait until finish, but I just want to see how in depth it just keeps on thinking. I'm not sure whether these are correct or this is the way this complex question should be thinked or not, but I just find it this interesting that it still keep on going. It also started to come into question D, and they are saying there should be typo or something. Maybe because I just copy pasted it, it is making something wrong. We actually don't know. So let's see. If there's any math experts, do let me know the way I copied. Is it something wrong or not in the comments? You can see it's almost writing a whole essay for figuring out this answer. You can see all the different steps it's taking. Determine what is the value, original formatting. It's thinking about different ways of writing the expressions. You can see undefined, not still matching answer choices. It's already almost got to a point where it also wanted to mention this D answer, but still it's again going. That's what we are seeing it right now, because it's trying out all the different possibilities. You can see all the different app. It's taking an alternative route. It's all trying a different approach. Formatting issue, it's thinking whether I did a formatting issues, and what the user wrote, it's if it's supposed to be this particular one. So it's trying to still keep on figuring out. Let me open up the original one. So this was what I copied. and the way it went, I think it didn't take the power values properly. That's why the all the conversation is happening. Actually, it turned out to be a really good example for me, because it is not about solving the problem. The way I copied and pasted the answer here was, it obviously started and thinking that all the things were wrong and it gave the value here. But what this is doing is, DeepSeek, it is taking this into a whole new level and thinking not only just to give you the answer from here itself. For example, it almost came up with the answer same as D, but it didn't just stop it there. It just kept on going to a point of thinking the maybe the person who typed this as typed it wrong. You can see this and different. Let's compare. It's keep on going. That is what I think the biggest advantage with this. So you can see that it's giving you the final answer. Let's see whether it comes up with solution. Even if it didn't come up with the solution, it came up with the solution of A. Is it the correct one? Okay, it came up with the solution A. I'm just mind blown, to be honest, because what happened was I copied the formula, but the formatting made it the formula completely different. Because of that, ChatGPT just thought for 4 seconds and gave me an answer of not having value. But this DeepSeek, I gave the same thing to it. It thought for 280 seconds. It came up with the same answer here itself on D as the answer, because it can, but it went through the process of alternate thinking, differentiation of thinking. Maybe the user has pasted something wrong, maybe the formatting was the issue, maybe let's test it out different ways of alternate solution, possible different versions. You can see how mind boggling is this, and you see all the different ways of it came together and it gave the correct answer. I'm just blown away with this result. I will definitely give the win to DeepSeek on this.